I just came across this really interesting YouTube hack that really grew one of my YouTube channels very quickly, and I found it completely by accident. And in fact, most people are doing the exact opposite of what I'm about to show you in this video. So hopefully you could apply this to your YouTube channel and get results as quickly as I did. Let me show you exactly what it is and where to find it and how to tweak it. So I'm inside of one of my YouTube channels, and I basically went to the analytics tab of that YouTube video, a specific YouTube video. Now, this YouTube video, typically over here, all your YouTube videos will show you this retention graph. This shows you how long people are staying on your video. Now, I typically try to shoot for around 70% are still watching at the 30-second mark. So 70% is really the sweet spot you want to be in. So I'm not too far from that. But look at this right here. Typically, by the time you get to the end of your video, right, this video is about 9 minutes and 50 seconds. Well, my end screen graphic starts at 9 minutes and 30 seconds. So in the last 20 seconds, you get a big drop, right? So at around this point, all the way to that point, I lose about 10% of people at the end. So almost nobody really is sticking around till the end of the video. Now, this is pretty typical, right? You're going to have a big drop off as soon as your video sounds like it's ending. And end screens is one of the giveaways that the video is about to end. There's about 20 seconds left. But I forgot to add this on one of my channels for multiple weeks. And let me show you just one of the results. And then I'm going to show you exactly how to end your videos just to test this out for your channel. So here's another video. Again, this one has 72% at 30-second mark, which is really good. That's what I was trying to get to start. But look at the end. That's what I want you to pay attention to. We're at 24% or 26% and then 24%. So not a 10% drop off, barely a 2% drop off at the end. Why? Because of how I ended this video. And I've done this across multiple different videos now. Now here's a video where I did the exact opposite, right? Where I basically had the end screen and I basically started wrapping up this video, and look at this drop off. It went from 59% or so all the way down to 27%, right? So you saw the big difference. One had 2% drop off. This one had closer to 20 to 30% drop off, and one had 10% drop off. So what's my takeaway here? Let me show you that. What I want you to do is I want you to go to this editor tab right here and go to the end of your video. So I'm going to go ahead and actually stretch this out so I could show you the end of this video. And basically my end screen here is 20 seconds or so. Okay, it's about 18 seconds, this end screen. So right here, what ends up happening is, let me go ahead and press play. These elements are showing up like this, right? So it's going to give it away that the video is going to end soon. But then on top of that, I'm saying thanks for watching. This video hopefully was helpful, and I make these kind of content. And typically what most YouTubers say at the end of their video for the last 20 seconds while the end screen is on. The problem is though, when the video is short and you're losing 30% of those people, your overall retention time has now dramatically decreased, right? You just lost 30% of people for a whole 20 seconds. And if the video is 2, 3, 4 minutes, that's a big chunk of the video, and is showing YouTube clearly that people are not engaged throughout the whole video. So what do we do about that exactly? Well, two things I want you to do. One is, if you have any call to action like subscribe to my channel, or this is the type of content I make, try to make it in the beginning after you hook the people into the video. Basically try to change the call to action for subscribing, liking, commenting, or whatever you choose. Choose one and say it in a different part of the video, not at the end. Take your end screens. Let me show you what I do here. These can be actually way shorter, right? So go ahead and switch these, basically shrink them down to be way, way shorter. I want these to be like 5 seconds instead of the whole 20 seconds. Okay, they're useful because I do get clicks from these, but I don't want them to be this long. So I'm going to go ahead and press save. Now this is going to change it. Now, when I go back to my analytics, I want to keep an eye on it to see how that changed with this video. And I've done it across multiple videos now, and the change is very, very clear. Now, you have to do this one video at a time to your published videos, but for your new videos, just make it shorter and don't drag out your ending on your videos. So just like this video, I'm just going to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.